Hello everybody, Google Docs, how to place the images in a document. Check it out. Here I have the document with no images. I could go to Insert Image and use these options, or just take it from my computer and paste it there. And now let's place it properly. For example, for this image, I would like break test and place it here. That's perfect. We have even more options if we select the image and we click on Image Options here. Right. Let's add a second image. I just take it from the folder and paste it there. And here I can say, for example, that I want wrap text and place the image where I want. Clicking on the image, we could also choose, for example, less margin, no margin at all, or larger one. Or choose if we want the image to move with the text or to be always in that position on the page. Very, very interesting. Here you can also change the size or rotate your image. Enjoy it!